Hi everyone, welcome back to the biggest update of Camp Nou. Camp Nou is now a living architectural system where structure, facade, and circulation are evolving together. Across the stadium, construction is at full speed, from the diamond area's massive glass panels to non-stop slat installation in the corners. Roof preparations, internal circulation, and key sections like the north goal and tribune are transforming day by day. This is not just progress, it's the long-term vision of the new Spotify Camp Nou becoming a reality. One of the most visible areas of progress this week is the installation of the facade slats. They are decorative elements, but they are also part of a controlled facade system that manages airflow, light, visibility, and structural rhythm. Outside at the diamond, the change is immediately noticeable. The fences have been removed, offering a clear view of the structure. The glass panels are massive and visually impressive. More glass panels are prepared on the ground, ready to be lifted by the crane. This area is clearly shaping up to become the future store. We are here in the corner area, where a large number of slats are already prepared and ready to be lifted. Many slats are stacked in this section, clearly showing ongoing progress. This is the same corner where installation started last week, and in the front section, all slats have already been installed. As usual, they leave two gaps near the pillar on the right, and the same happens along the lateral side. We continue forward and position ourselves facing the lateral area. Here, the hydraulic hammer is breaking the section where a wall was recently removed. From the front, we try to spot details not visible earlier from the no-cano light terrace. The crane chain is visible but currently empty. In the interior stair area, lifting platforms are actively working. An important update is that all scaffolding has been completely removed. Panels and formwork are gone, leaving the area clear. A lifting platform continues working below, focusing on slat installation in the false ceiling area. This stair section is still not fully closed. On the left side, there are very few changes, as this area is already finished except for the usual two gaps between sectors. On the right, a crane is lifting a small structural piece to be installed on the stair framework. Both staircases still have pending work, including beams and structural elements. There is noticeable noise and activity, with materials being unloaded into containers. Glass panels, slats, and other construction materials remain stored throughout this area. Moving back toward the corner, a trailer delivered additional slat supports yesterday, some still pending installation here. The crane remains active, moving structural pieces. Instead, a new structure is now lying on the ground, with a worker operating nearby on a lifting platform. Protective railings have been installed on the last prefabricated stand due to a small gap, ensuring safety. With little else to see here, we move toward the north goal area. At the north goal corner, work continues with lifting platforms in place. No anchors have been installed yet, and the block wall in this area still needs painting. The corner is gradually closing as prefabricated stands continue to arrive. Only two sectors remain unfinished. Inside, several workers are active, with visible welding work and sparks. Some slat supports are already installed, but a few connections on the pillars are still missing. We then move toward the Tribune corner, where materials are being moved, including cement bags and structural components. Some prefabricated stairs are still pending installation. Apart from a formworked pillar, there isn't much else to see here. On the Tribune terrace, we can clearly see progress on the escalators. The handrails are now fully installed, making a big visual difference. Some lower covers and electrical components are still pending. The upper escalators still have blue protective covers and will likely be completed next. As usual, a large number of prefabricated stands and stairs are stored in this area, and a new trailer has delivered more prefabricated stairs. The Tribune area, once quiet, has picked up pace again. One drywall panel on the left side is still missing, with rock wool insulation visible. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a moment from Epic World projects.